Welcome. In this session, we will talk about the latest NIRF ranking 2024, highly important for your upcoming examination. So let's focus on some of the important topics which are to be taken into account. So this NIRF ranking, first of all, is based on 5 parameters. These are teaching and learning resources, then research and professional practice, graduation outcome, and outreach and perception. Now each of them have certain important subcategories. For example, under teaching learning, we understand the faculty student ratio, the student strength, the financial resources, how much faculty is with PhD, and so on. Under research, the publication, citation, patents. Under graduation outcome, the placements, the median salary, and the PhD students. Under outreach, the diversity, people coming from various regions, number of women, number of challenge candidates, and perception, that talks about the academic, peer, and employer relations, right? So if we talk about the overall ranking, IIT Madras stood at the first place, followed by IISc Bangalore, IIT Bombay, Delhi, Kanpur in the next go, right? So this was the overall ranking. Now important to note, whenever there is a question on NIRF ranking, make sure you are taking into account the question very correctly. If this is the overall ranking question, this is what you have to follow. If it is the top 100 universities, only universities, then the top university is IISc Bangalore, followed by Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi, Jamia Millia Islamia, again Delhi, followed by Manipal and BHU, right? If it talks about state public universities, from the states, Anna University from Tamil Nadu, Jadavpur University from West Bengal, Savitribai Phule Pune University from Maharashtra are the important ones. Then talking about Open University and Skill University. So Open University, IGNOU Delhi, Netaji Subhash Open University Kolkata, and Babasaheb Ambedkar University Ahmedabad. For skill universities, it is Symbiosis Skill from Pune, Shri Vishwakarma Skill University Palwal, Haryana, and Bharatiya Skill Development University Jaipur in Rajasthan. Coming on to top colleges and research institute. Top colleges, the top 3 ones are from Delhi, and these are Hindu College, Mirinda House, and St. Stephen's, followed by Ramakrishna Mission from Kolkata, and Atmaram Sanatan Dharm College from New Delhi. The next is the top research institutes, IISc Bangalore, followed by Madras, Delhi, and Bombay IITs. Again, if we talk about innovation, it is IIT Bombay, Madras, and Hyderabad. The first 3 orders are more than important. You need not to go beyond that. If it is engineering, now note, if it is innovation, it is Bombay and Madras and Hyderabad. If it is engineering, it is Madras, Delhi, and Bombay. The order changes here, right? This is for engineering and this is for innovation. Similarly, we'll talk about medical, dental, pharmacy. So for management, it is IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Kozhikode. Note that the third one is IIT Delhi, followed by IIM Kolkata for the management courses. And then for the pharmacy, it is Jamia Hamdard, Delhi, National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, NIPER, Naipur from Hyderabad, then Birla Institute, Pilani, JSS College, Ooty, and Institute of Chemical Technology from Mumbai. For architecture, it is IIT Roorkee, Kharagpur, and NIT Calicut. For law, the top universities are National Law School, Bangalore, NLU Delhi, and Nalsar, Hyderabad. These are the top 3 law colleges that we would consider here. Then coming on to medical, it is AIIMS, PGI Chandigarh, CMC Vellore, Nimhans Bangalore, and Jipmer Puducherry, followed by dental. So under dental, it is Savita Institute from Chennai, Manipal, then MEMC from Delhi, King George from Lucknow, and DY Patil from Pune. So these are the dental colleges and these are the top medical colleges. Again, we would understand the ranking for agriculture. So ICAR from Delhi, the National Dairy Institute at Karnal, Punjab Agricultural University Ludhiana, and BHU Varanasi are the top institute. One veterinary institute again important, which is Izzat Nagar in Bareilly in Uttar Pradesh. So those are some of the important institutes in NIRF ranking. Now the question mainly is determined by the fact which university is being asked and that you are addressing here, correct? So make that or take that into consideration, that you go to these universities in a systematic way. And yes, besides paper 1, if you're looking for other preparation materials, those are here. Thanks for joining in. We'll be bringing many important videos before your examination. Stay tuned.